Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to use the pass-through and single sign-on for the user account when they access Office 365 applications from the Azure from the on-premise computer in on-premise Active Directory. So let's see what's the environment. I have a hybrid environment set up which all the user accounts are located in the on-prem Active Directory, and I have the Azure AD Connect set up to synchronize all the user accounts through the on-prem AD to 365. After I sync to the 365, I assign the 365 license to the user account. Then I want to apply the single sign-on. For example, if user logs into the computer in on-premise, Active Directory, and then he opens Office 365 application. I want to, pass through his user login details to this 365 code. So he does not need to log in, input his username, password in again. So let's see how can we do this. The first one, I go to the Azure AD Connect, open Azure AD Connect from the server already installed on this server. So if I click config and then I click change user sign in next. So this is the global administrator part username, and then I just click next. I sign in. After I sign in, I make sure this pass-through authentication is ticked, this option is ticked, and also enable single sign-on is already checked. So I already done this. I just close this one. So the next step is I need to set up a group policy in the domain controller to allow single sign-on. So if I go to the group policy, the domain controller, I just created a group policy named GPO-enable SSO for Office 365 login. If I click edit in the computer configuration, and then I go to policy, and then I go to administrative template. Windows component, and then I go to Internet Explorer, Internet control panel, and then go to security page. If I can get this one, site to zone assignment list, I enable this list, and then I put this URL in it's https colon forward slash autologon dot Microsoft Azure AD.sso.com. So this is the URL I put in. So just so this is the URL I put in. Is auto https colon forward slash autologon dot Microsoft Azure AD dash sso.com. I put into this one as the the value set to one, which means it's internet zone. So this is already done. Click OK. That's okay. After I set up this group policy, because it applies to the computer, then I need to restart the computer once to apply the group policy. So I've already done this, from this connector. So if I go to now, I can be log in as the administrator. So I go to here. So if I go to the control panel, I log in as an administrator. I log in as this administrator account into this server. So, and I see if I go to the C column and then go to users, I see this, test.pass-through account is not logged in yet to this server. So now if I go to control panel, and then I go to more icons, go to internet options, and then go to security, internet, local internet, and then click size, or click advanced. I see this, URL is already applied, added to the list. So that's what I want. So click OK, OK. Now I want to sign out of this from this server. I want to log in as the test account I created. Before I do this, I just want to do one more thing. I just want to change the password for this test password to a new password to save the password and single sign-on works a lot because every half an hour it will synchronize to the 365, but I just change it now. I just want to see. I change to the new password, and then I log into this server with this test account. After I log in, I want to open Microsoft Edge. So I don't want to sign in for now. Just confirm. So if I log in to office.com with sign to the user. So I just input the user principal name. This is test.passthrough@cc2022.com. If I click next, you see I can log into the office.com successfully. I don't need to input the password or anything else. So if I put the other one, just try another one. So my app.microsoft.com is also working. So this means the pass through and single sign-on is working fine because I just changed the password for this username in the on-prem Active Directory domain controller, and also I just this user does not exist before. Was when I log in as administrator, this user never log in. But when I log in the first time, this user account created profile created on the server. And then when I log into 365, I can just pass through my user ID and password information automatically. I don't need to input a password again. This means pass through and single sign-on work fine for me. Thank you.